Today we have a Mexican quinoa. Stick around, see how we make it.
Hey, this is Stacy from Let's Cook Y'all. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, welcome. We're really glad you're here. We hope that you'll like our videos and our content and you'll consider hitting that red subscribe button. For all of our returning subscribers, thank you. We really do appreciate all y'all's support. We've got a new cooking video for you today. It is something we recently cooked to share on the channel as part of the collaboration we're hosting. New Year, Healthy New You, but it's good year-round. It is great for a Meatless Monday or anytime you're wanting to eat a little lighter. It's an easy version of a Mexican quinoa using mostly pantry ingredients. It's something I've made for many years. I really love it. My husband's not fond of it, but he will eat it, so that's a sign that it's actually better than most meatless or vegan meals. We hope you enjoy the video and that you have a blessed day.
I'll go over the list of ingredients really quick, and as always, the recipe is provided in a link below with all of the amounts and measures. You'll need some kind of oil to saute some onions and garlic in. You will obviously need quinoa, and I'm going to rinse it well. This is a Mexican one, so it's got black beans and corn. You can use vegetable broth. I'm going to use chicken broth just because it's what I have on hand. We're going to season it up with some salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, cumin, and a little lime juice, and then garnish it at the end with cheese and avocado. So let me show you how we make Mexican quinoa.
Start off with a pan big enough to hold all of your ingredients. I put some olive oil in here and then saute the onions first, and then towards the end I add the garlic.
Once the vegetables are soft but not brown, it's time to add the broth, the rinsed quinoa, and the seasonings.
I've always followed the recipe, so I just add cumin, red pepper, and then some salt and black pepper.
We're going to bring this mixture to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we'll cut it down to a simmer and simmer for about 20 minutes to let the quinoa cook. After about 20 minutes, when most of the liquid has been absorbed, we're going to add the frozen corn. If you're using canned corn, you would add it with the black beans, but since this is frozen, we're going to put it in here for about 3 to 5 minutes to warm up. And we're going to also add some lime juice. Obviously fresh is best, but I don't usually have it, so the bottle works great for me. If you were adding cilantro, you would add it here. Once your corn, the frozen corn, has heated through, you add the cilantro and the black beans. If you were using canned corn, you would just add them here once your quinoa is cooked. Mix it all up, taste it for seasonings, and then garnish it. We're going to garnish it with chopped avocado and shredded cheese.
I hope you get a chance to try this. It's a great first recipe to try if you've never had quinoa, especially if you like the flavors of Tex-Mex food. As always, thanks so much for stopping by our channel, Let's Cook Y'all. Hope you'll like, comment, and subscribe if you hadn't already. Have a blessed day, y'all.